So today I'm going to make my own short. So first we will need to make a rectangle. Yeah. So this one here, this is my hips. My hips is 44 and it doesn't have allowance yet. So this is a black, short black standard uh, slope. Okay, so my short is, my hips is 44. So for your hips, you will divide it into 4. So I have 11 here. Okay, 11. So that is my hips. For my waist, I have, yes, I am big. I am extra large or 2XL, I don't know. So my waist is 35 and I have to divide it by 4. So it's 875. 875 inches, okay? So for your crotch, this is high front rise. We call it crotch. So my crotch is 11. I only use the 1/4 of the hips, the 11. So 11. Or you can add an extension if you like. So mine is 11. 11. That one. So for my full length, I haven't measured my full length. So this is a short. So my full length is maybe 14 to 15. So let's say 15. So this is the front short, okay? This is the front part of the short. So my full length is 15, but actually I can make it 14. Yeah. This is just the basic block. The front part. Oh, how can I draw my back part here? And then, so for the front, okay, so for the front, measure 3 centimeter. One, I only use 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter here and 1 centimeter here. So connect these two. That one. And for the waist, add 1 inch for the dart. And the 1 centimeter you take away. So this one, that would be your front. So this is your hips, your full length hips. Then you have to connect. Shut up, boys. Dogs. That one. For your dart, your dart is, get the center. So your dart is 1 inch, so you take away 1/2 inch each side. And then for length of your dart, it's 4 inches. Get it? Okay. Oh, sorry guys. That one. Okay, from the crotch line, I measure 2 inches above the crotch line. 2 inches above the crotch line. Okay. So for your crotch extension here, for your crotch extension, since I am 2XL, this one here, I fall on this line. I'm going to use for the front crotch, I'm going to use 3.75 centimeter. Yes, centimeter. 3.75. It's this one. Or 1.47 inches. So this is my crotch line for the front. Hey, so what's that? Okay, so, and then shape it from here to here. You shape it. Do not make it too curved. So that one. So this is now your front. You gotta make it straight. Divide it by 2. Yeah, like that. So this is your front crotch, front short. Ano. So let's cut. Cut. Di mo to'y makuhiso. Oops, let's proceed to back now. I need another paper. Mutlan sa tagpapiliso. For, for the back. Oh, wait. Let's make a line for the back. So this is for the back pattern. Back short. Trace. You need to trace the front to make the back short. The back part. Trace it like this one. There di ay. So this is your back pattern di ay gada. Maybe I take me to the Okay, so for the back pattern, where's your back pattern? Go get the center of these two centers. Where's the center? Okay, so this is the center. And the center of these two. So this is your center. Or let's make another another instruction. So from your hips, measure 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter. Then you extend the line here. Extend the line here. Then you go 1.5 inside. And for the up here, measure 3 centimeter from this point, from this original point to this one, 3 centimeter. And then whatever your measurement here is example 9.75, then Your back also should be measured 1.75, 9.75 from this point. Okay, 1.5 cm, and then from this point, measure 9.75. So this is your 3 centimeter, then 9.75. This one. So this is your back. Okay, so this is your hips. Let's remove this one. Shh! Ginoo ko. Sao naman na? Pagkalingog mo ba? Shh! So this is your back. Why so maingay? Kasama nila, uy. So where's my hips? Let's measure the hips. So my hips, the hips, waist to hips is 7.8. 7.75. So this is your hips. Okay. So yeah, and then for your back extension, crotch extension, the measurement is, what's the paper? Ano naman ni 39, 40, 42, 6.75. 42 ang ligong hips. Dapat din ako 3.25. So next, so we're going to add our extension. Okay? Back crotch extension. Ilan gajud. So I'm gonna add 6.75 centimeter from the front. 6.75 centimeter. This one here. So this is, and hold on. Extension here. 6.5 centimeter. Yeah, 6 point, yeah. And extend the line down. So that's it. So then, okay, so you go down from this point by 25.25 inch. So then shape your back crotch. This one. Hold on. Let's shape your back crotch like this. Connect the hips to the crotch line. This one. So this is your back crotch. And then connect your waistline, back waist. Okay. So I didn't use this one, this formula. Hips divided by 10 equals a crotch, back crotch extension. So this is the other formula for back extension, crotch extension, okay? And the other one is, the other formula is 2 centimeter on the front. No, I mean 2 inches on the front, like this one, huh? 2 inches and 1.5 inches on the back. Okay, so that is the other formula for the crotch line extension. So this one, I am using 6.75 from the other designer. So shape your back. By the way, this pattern doesn't have any ease, okay? So if you're going to make your short, add some ease on the side. But do not touch the crotch line. So divide your back waist by 2 to get the dart. Okay, and then extend the line. Then get these 0.5 each side, 0.5, and then 5 inches down. Measure 5 inches down. So this one, 5 inches. Five inches. So that's it. So this is your back short. So now, after this, I'm going to make a short to wear and add some extension. Okay, so let's see. Remember the formula for the extension, crotch extension. This is your back heat. So here is now your back short. And then your front short, you cut that one, the remaining. Here is now your back and front short. Hope you guys like it. Here, thank you for watching.